The pizza right here. So you need to cook it at the pizza oven because it's too big for the tray thing. So 425 for guys. I just wiping the floor, and I need to wash the rug outside, and I have the mop in here, and then the dining I wipe the hallway by the bathroom and bedroom, and then the bathroom I wipe also with the Liebman mop thing. And then so I just put a little pine sol and little suavitel, and then I just squish a little Dawn soup. And so it's already it's late already, guys. Gonna eat pizza at night, almost 10 p.m. So I the this one I have a lot of basket. I need to put some more stuff in it yet, so I'm not done yet. I need to put in the basement. Need to get ready for, you know, like garage sale someday and stuff. So hopefully I can do it this year, the garage sale. I have a lot of stuff to sell, and this is the dish pan from the pizza. I just wash it. Let's stick the pizza stick. So I just washed this one from the thrift sale. This one like a thrift store. Anyway, I got this rock from. I just washed it, guys, from the thrift store.